Today I'm working in my digital Bible, and I'm going to recreate this physical page that I've already made to show you that you can create the same look in a digital Bible as you can in a physical Bible. I've gone through my Watchtower devotional, and I'm using the Watchtower stickers, and you'll see me, I have the Bible side by side with the sticker pack. You can click and drag to go through each page of the sticker pack. And then when you find the sticker that you want to use, click on the little picture icon in the top menu bar, and that will give you the tool that you need to be able to long press on the sticker to select it and then drag it across to the other page. And you'll see me dragging digital stickers across from one document to the other. I've been studying Habakkuk and how in chapter 1, he's complaining to God and wondering where God is and why he's not saving his people in the way that Habakkuk expected. And then in the beginning of chapter 2, he turns back to God and says, okay, I'll stand here at my watchtower and I will watch and I will listen for what God will say to me. He's waiting and trusting that God will respond. He believes that a response is coming, and he is resolved to stand there and wait and listen. So that's what I've done on my page here is I've used the stickers to create a title, a main statement of my takeaway from this devotional and from this verse. I am looking, listening, and trusting. And what I want to remember is even when my circumstances have me doubting God's presence or God's sovereignty, I can stop, repent, turn back, and remember that that's not true, that God is actually at work in his own way. And although it may be a mystery to me, I can still trust him. Now you can see my page coming together. I've pulled my stickers over, I cropped some of them, and now I'm going to zoom in and trace my title words. And I'm going to use the pen tool in a dark gray, almost black, and then adjust my settings here in the pen tool. And trace each one. Now, if you want to add some of your own journaling, your own reflection, you can grab all of these elements using the lasso tool and move them up or down to create some space above or below the sticker cluster. And you can just write directly on there, add your own thoughts. I chose not to because I like the simplicity here, and this is enough to jog my memory about what my lesson here was, my takeaway from this devotional and this verse study. Here's a final side-by-side comparison of my digital page and my physical page. You're not limited when you do digital Bible journaling. You still have the same features. In fact, you have some additional flexibility to be able to move stuff around. It's been a really fun alternative for me to play around with. I appreciate you watching, and if you have any questions, please feel free to leave those in the comments below. Be sure to subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss my next digital Bible journaling video, and I'll see you then.